All right, so, all right, let's have a look at the example. So this is example 2. Example 2 says determine the size of the angle indicated by the letter A. All right, the very first one, I would say that A plus 57 plus 72 is equal to 180 degrees. They are the interior angles of a triangle. They are the interior angles of a triangle. So this is A plus, what is this, 129 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. A would be equal to 180 minus 129. So A would be equal to 51 degrees. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, very good. That one is easy. In II, 135 is called an external or exterior angle. The angle here would be called the adjacent interior. And these two angles here and here, they are called the opposite interior. Now, A plus 50 would be equal to 135 degrees because the exterior angle is equal to the two opposite interior, it should be the sum of the two opposite interior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. So A would be equal to 135 minus 50 degrees. So A, what that would be equal? Is that 85?
Yes, sir.
85 degrees. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
So the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. In the third question, the triangle is an isosceles triangle. How do I know these two sides are equal? Now, the two equal sides of an isosceles triangle meet at the apex. The two equal sides meet at the apex. So this side and this side meet at the apex. Opposite from the apex is the base. And the two base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. So if this one is A, this one over here is also A. So A plus 45 is equal to 180 degrees. They are the interior angles of an isosceles triangle. 2A is equal to 180 minus 45. 2A is equal to 135 degrees. Divide both sides by A. Sorry, not by A, it should be by 2. All right, that was a nice blunder. So divide both sides by 2. We get A is equal to, this would be what, 67.5 degrees. Did you get this? 67.5 degrees. Did everybody get that?
No, sir.
Hey, all right.
No.
So the sharpness just dull, y'all get dull a little bit. Nobody got it? All right, let's move on. All right. Now, the fourth question. All right, first thing I would notice is this. If this angle is 50, who can tell me what this angle here is equal to?
50.
50, sir.
Why is it equal to 50? I'm going
It's
to
a
call it theta. Why is theta equal to 50? Huh?
Opposite angle.
Opposite angles? I don't know about no opposite angles. I never teach anything about no opposite angle. Why is theta equal to 50 degrees? Anybody?
It's a vertical opposite angle.
Very good. So I would start out by saying to the examiner that theta is equal to 50 degrees. They're vertically opposite angles. Tell me something. What type of triangle is this triangle down here, so? What type of triangle is that?
Isosceles.
Good. So the two equal sides would meet at the apex. So right there says the apex. Opposite from the apex is the base. The two base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. So if this is A, this is also A. So A plus 50 is equal to 180 degrees. They are the interior angles of an isosceles triangle. 2A is equal to 180 minus 50. 2A is equal to 130. Divide both sides by 2. Therefore, A would be equal to 65 degrees. Did you get that? Anybody? So, ladies and gentlemen, we have work to do. We have work to do. You understand? COVID has caused some of you to get dull, and you're not as sharp as you were before. Come on, guys, let's work ourselves back to sharpness. Last question. Now we're asked to find A. Here's what we know. This triangle here is an isosceles triangle. How do we know? This side and this side are equal. So the two equal sides meet at the apex. Opposite from the apex is the base. The two base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. So if this one is 2 theta, this one is also 2 theta. Now, the three interior angles of a triangle must add up to 180 degrees. So 2 theta plus 2 theta plus theta is equal to 180 degrees. They are the interior angles of an isosceles triangle. This is 5 theta is equal to 180. Divide both sides by 5. And we get theta is equal to, this is what? 36 degrees. Now, if theta is 36, A is equal to 180 minus 36, which is equal to 144 degrees. There are angles on a straight line. Do you see it? A
Yes.
is 144 degrees. I'm going to make an assumption here. My assumption is you did not get this one correct either. All right, guys, so that's the end of the question. I want you to go back over these questions, especially the ones that you got wrong. Look at the analysis of them. Look at how I reason it out. Please notice how I answer the questions in terms of putting in that reasoning, the angle property in brackets. Please look at how I answer the questions and ensure that when you are doing the questions yourself, you do them the same way. All right?
Yes, sir.